Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
वास्को कोळसो प्रदूषणा आड गोयच्या आवाजान आवाज काढूंक सुरवात केल्या. कोळशाचे प्रदूषणाक लागून मुरगांव तालुक्यांतल्या लोकांक श्वासनाची दुयेंसां, कॅन्सर, टीबी सारकेले रोग आदी जावनूच आसात. मुरगांवकारांची एकंदर इम्युनिटीज डावन. कोळशाचे प्रदूषणाक लागून मुरगांव कोविडाचे एपी सेंटर जाला. चिखलेच्यो केशी डिक्लेरूच करिनात.
Vasco, Mormugaon and the surrounding areas are turning now to be the epicenters of COVID-19. Most of the cases जो येता almost 25% ज्यो सध्या जाल्ल्यो आसा त्यो आमचे वास्कोन आनी सराउंडिंग एरियाज. चिखले म्हळ्यार थोड्यो केसीस दे वर जस्ट नॉट डिक्लेरिंग फॉर वॉट एवर रिझन.
मुरगांवां हिसबा भायर कोळसो आताळप चल्ला. सरकारान समिती नेमून कोळशाचें प्रदूषण, कोविड आनी लोकांच्या इम्युनिटीचे संबंदाचो खंय अभ्यास करचो.
Coal dust inhalation is dangerous for the lungs. वेगळ्यो breathing problems जाता. It has shown an increase towards cases of cancer, neurological disorders, strokes, आणि खुबश्यो आनी TB आनी कसली दुयेंसां जातात. We would like to demand with the state government, especially the chief minister, that there is a need to set up a committee and do a research, a scientific research, a medical research to establish prolonged exposure to dust of the coal, कित्याक हांगा coal handling चालू आसा, आनी the difficulty in fighting this COVID-19 pandemic in these areas.
ब्रिटीश संसदेत खंय कांय खासदारांनी कोळशाचे मायनींनी काम करतल्यांचे भलायकेचो अभ्यास करपाचो विशय आयला. मुरगांवां खंय तीच परिस्थिती.
British Parliamentan थोडे MPs they are trying to move a bill in the parliament demanding to establish a relationship between COVID-19 cases and those people who have been working in coal mines or those people who are exposed to coal dust inhalation. So हे तर करीत, it will not only help Goa or India, it will help the whole world. It will help the research community to find a solution how to fight this pandemic.
मुरगांवची कोविड परिस्थिती मतींत धरून सरकारान रेल्वे डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचो विचार खंय कडेक दवरचो.
I also would request the state government, हे पळय तुमी आनीक डबल ट्रॅकिंग करूंक सोदता, आनी कोल्ड ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन करूंक सोदता, please give up that idea. That will be the last nail in the coffin of the lungs of Goa.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.